Happy Pride, everyone. I'm Miss Katie from Rockland Public Library, and this is baby time. Let's start off by waking up our feet. Can you find your feet? Where are they? Here's my foot. Where's yours? Are you ready to give it a wiggle? Here we go. Wake up feet, wake up feet, wake up feet, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up feet, wake up feet. Wake up feet in the morning. Good job, everyone. How about your hands? Can you find your hands? Where are they? Here they are. Wake up hands, wake up hands, wake up hands, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up hands, wake up hands, wake up hands in the morning. Good job, everyone. How about your ears? Can you find your ears? There they are. Wake up ears, wake up ears, wake up ears, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up ears, wake up ears, wake up ears in the morning. Great job, everyone. How about your tummy? Can you find your tummy? Here's my tummy. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Can you find your tummy and give it a tickle too? Here we go. Wake up, tummy. Wake up, tummy. Wake up, tummy, and tickle, tickle, tickle. Wake up, tummy. Wake up, tummy. Wake up, tummy in the morning. Great job, everyone. Good morning, good morning. It is so nice to get to sing with you today. I think it's time for us to do the itsy bitsy spider. Can you get your spiders out at home? Good job. Here we go. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job, everyone. Now, I have a little song that I tweaked a little bit to make into a pride song, and it's all about loving each other for what makes us special and loving ourselves for what makes us special. And it uses a little bit of sign language. So you may know you can say, I love you in sign language. Can you give that a try? You point to yourself, I, and then you kind of give yourself a hug, love, and then you point, you. Good job. So we're going to use the sign language word for love in the song and the sign language word for yes. So you're going to put your hand in a fist and you're going to shake it forward. Can you give that a try? Yes. Love and yes. Good job. It goes like this. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. I love what makes you you. Good job, everyone. Now we're going to do one about ourselves. Love myself, yes I do. Love myself, yes I do. Love myself, yes I do, because I'm being true. Good job, everyone. Let's give that one more try. Are you ready? Are you practicing saying love in sign language and saying yes in sign language? All right, here we go. Ready? Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. I love what makes you you. Good job. Love myself, yes I do. Love myself, yes I do. Love myself, yes I do, because I'm being true. Good job, everyone. That was great. Good job learning a new song. I think it's time for us to sing The Rain is Falling Down. Do you think we can make the rain fall down on us? Now, this is our song that can be used very quietly as a lullaby. You can also use it to rub baby. And also, if you want to, you can hype it up a little bit and make it louder, and it can be a more boisterous song. But we're going to sing it a little quietly, like it's a lullaby. And it goes like this. Rain is falling down. Splash. Rain is falling down. Splash. Pitter patter, rain is falling down. Splash. The sun is peeking out. Peek. The sun is peeking out. Peek. Peeking here, peeking there, the sun is peeking out. Peek. The rain is falling down. Splash. The rain is falling down. Splash. Pitter patter, rain is falling down. Splash. Good job, everyone. That was wonderful. All right, do you think we can pretend to be a seed that grows into a great big tree? You think we can do that again? Here, let's start with a little seed. Are you ready? Here's a seed, small and round, sprouting from the ground. Good job. Here we go. Shake your leaves for all to see. Stretch your arms up. Can you stretch your arms way up in the high in the sky? Stretch your arms up. You're a tree. Good job. Here, let's try that one more time. We're going to start as a seed and grow into a big tree. Here we go. Be a seed, small and round, sprouting from the ground. Shake your leaves for all to see. Stretch your arms up. You're a tree. Great job, everyone. That was excellent. I think it's time to see what Old MacDonald has on his farm today. Let's see what animals we have here. Can anyone help me with this? What animal is this? Is this a sheep? That's right. And what noise does a sheep make? Do sheep say, ba, ba, ba? That's right. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Good job, everyone. Let's see what we have next. Ooh, who do we have here? Is that a chicken? Yeah, it's a chicken. And what noise does a chicken make? Do chickens say bok, 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 bok? Or cluck, 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 cluck? That's right. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a bok, bok here and a bok, bok there. Here a bok, there a bok, everywhere a bok, bok. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Good job. Let's see what our next animal is. We have this is our goofy looking horse. That's our horse. What noises does a horse make? Do horse say, neigh, neigh, neigh? That's right. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh, neigh here and a neigh, neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great job, everyone. We have one more animal. Let's see what we have here. What is this? It's a cow. And what noise does a cow make? Do cows say moo? Moo, moo, that's right. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great job, everyone. All right, it's time for us to get out our scarves. And if you don't have a scarf and you live nearby, you can come to the library to get one. But also, you can use anything you have around you. You can use a bib or a mask or a washcloth or a drop cloth, or you can just wiggle your hands around. We are going to shake our scarves or our hands and talk about the weather. What's the weather like at your house today? Is it sunny? It's sunny here at the library. Let's start off by shaking down on the ground with our sun. Ready? The sun is on the grass. The sun is on the trees. The sun is on the roof, but it's not on me. Good job, everyone. How about rain? It was raining this morning. Maybe we should put some rain on the grass. Can you shake your hands all the way down on the ground? Here we go. The rain is on the grass. The rain is on the trees. The rain is on the roof, but it's not on me. Good job. All right, maybe it's windy at your house today. Is the wind blowing? Let's put some wind on the grass. Here we go. The wind is on the grass. The wind is on the trees. The wind is on the roof, but it's not on me. Great job, everyone. I think it's time for us to sing the popcorn song. Are you ready for the popcorn song? We're gonna pop some popcorn with our scarves. Here we go. Popcorn kernels in the pot, in the pot. Can you put your scarf or your bib or your washcloth into your hands? Good job. Ready to shake? Here we go. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them till they pop, till they pop. Did you toss it up in the air? Let's toss it up together. Ready? Pop. Good job. Let's sing that one more time. Here we go. Popcorn kernels in the pot, in the pot. You ready to shake? Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them till they pop, till they pop. Good job, everyone. Let's put our scarves away and get ready for the wheels on the bus. Are you ready? Can you get out your wheels at home? Good job. Here we go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The driver of the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver of the bus says, move on back, all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The parents on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The parents on the bus go shh, all through the town. Great job, everyone. That was excellent. Let's sing our last song before our story. And this is Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. And at the end of the countdown, if you have a little, you can give them a big lift. And if you're big, you can give a jump at the end. Oh, there's some big construction trucks going by outside. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Good job, everyone. Did you give a jump at home? Let's jump together. Ready? Blast off! Good job. Let's sing that song one more time. Here we go. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Great job, everyone. That was excellent. It's time for us to end with a story. And today's story is Pride Colors. And Pride Colors is by Robin Stevenson. Let's see, Pride Colors. A bright red heart, a little star. Do you see the heart? There it is. I love you just the way you are. Cuddles in orange, a snuggle, a snooze. Be yourself, love who you choose. Yellow sunshine, smiles so bright. I'll hug you, kiss you, hold you tight. Soft green grass, cool shady tree. I'll love the person you grow to be. Oh, look how happy they are. They're giggling. Sky so big, peaceful blue. Well, look at baby's sunglasses. A whole wide world is here for you. Purple glitter, dancing wild. You are my very special child. Rainbow flags, Pride Day fun. I'll always love you, little one. The end. Great listening, everyone. I hope you all have a wonderful Pride, and I hope you have a great week filled with playing outside and lots of stories, and I can't wait to sing with you next week. Bye-bye.